There's some really big profit making opportunities at the moment. I made £536 in a period of 3 days. I bought £10,000 worth of Wisdom Tree WTI crude stock. This tracks the price of crude, and within 4 days I had made a 5.36% return. You can do the same with gold at the moment. If you look at the price of gold, it has moved in a month. It has gone up. If you'd have bought two or three weeks ago, you'd have had a massive increase. With the unsettlement still going on in the Middle East with Israel and other things happening in the world, a lot of people are turning to gold as a secure investment, and with the uncertainty of crude oil supplies possibly being affected, the price of crude oil has gone up. So now is your opportunity to make some massive, and I mean massive, increases in the upturn in the price of crude oil and gold. But you've got to think big, act big, and do it. Even if they don't rise, they may come down, but they'll go back up again. So it's virtually 100% risk-free way of making a vast profit. And if all things work out well, you could make a profit very quickly. As I said, you've got to make up your own mind. This is only what I'm doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a really good investing adventure. Until next time, thank you.